bed, honey. I think I got him all worked up by moving him, Mama, huh? You get in the bed and I'll put them in with you, okay? I will. I will put them in with you. We will say hello. Whoa. Hello. Oh. There you go. What's going on? Oh, well, if you'd open your eyes, Missy. Are you just gonna lay there? Are you just gonna lay there and take a nap? You've never been alone before, have you? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I got you, baby. Whoops. That was not a baby. That was the lid to the camera. I am careful with your babies, I promise, Mama. There's no more babies out here. Can't you count? Can't you count?